In this video, we'll talk about how to fix Discord game SDK DLL missing error. So if you're having this error of this particular option not found, what you can do is you can head over and see what's causing this problem. So this is because DLL injecting a Discord overlay into your game. You can check your registered games in Discord and then try unregistering the game in Discord and then verify your files in Steam. So Steam and VNet both have an option to scan your game files to download missing files. So you can head over and then do that. So for this case, what you can do is you can try closing Discord and start the game again and it should be able to open. You can try this particular options if you have both of this error right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thanks so much for watching.